if A is a set of this collection of numbers, then each member of that set can be represented like this. Let's say 3 is a member of set A. How can you represent like this? 3A. 7, that also you can write down like this. If I say 3 is a member of A, that's how the symbol has to be there. This is true. 7 is a member of A, this is true. But 2 is a member of A. Is it true? No, it is not true, because 2 is not the member of set A. So in that case, you will put like this, cross. यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेटमेंट दे रहा है और वो सेट है कि नहीं वो पूछना पड़ेगा. सो सेट में हम लोग क्या देखा है? सेट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. द कलेक्शन ऑफ काउंटिंग नंबर्स लेस देन 1. सो काउंटिंग नंबर क्या होता है? 1 से तो स्टार्ट होता है. 0 is not the counting number, but still you can say if there is nothing, this is 0, right? So collection of counting numbers less than 1, well defined, but the number of objects in that set is 0, because counting हम लोग 1 से start कर सकते हैं. लेकिन defined, well defined, less than 1, there is no object in the set, but it is a set. It is an empty set. Okay. Collection of interesting books written by Shakespeare. Very vague kind of statement. Interesting books, it differs. It's a relative term. Differs from person to person, right? Number 7. Collection of all rivers flowing in India. जितना river है सबको बोल रहा है. मतलब it's a set. Well defined. But collection of 5 rivers flowing in India, which 5 rivers? So it is not well defined. Collection of, somebody will say Ganga, Narmada, Satadru, Damodar, right? And somebody will say Ganga, Narmada, Moirakhi, Ajoy. So that is what the collection of 5 rivers. This is relative. These are not well-defined objects. So if you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you'd like to have the notification as soon as I upload it in YouTube or Facebook, please subscribe my YouTube channel Debs Learning Hub and also follow my Facebook page Debs Learning Hub. Thank you very much.